Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have a many colorful of vehicles. See these guys. First one is a 3D DS Sturgeon car, and next one is a Lexus car, and third one is a cartoon car. It's so nice and beautiful color combination. It's a yellow and pink color combination with blue. It's a black and white color combination also. And next one is a blue color combination and pink color combination. It's a runner car or 3D alien car also. So next one is a construction vehicle. It's a mixer truck. It's red and white color combination. And there is a last one. This is a RAB bike. RAB is a Bangladeshi special force. So that's all. And today I am all vehicle hand driving with my hand. So let's go, wasting any more time. This is first one and I am trying this one. Okay. So I am parked here. Okay. Next one is a Lexus car. So I am trying also this one. Okay. So I will park here, right here. So there is a next one. This is a cartoon car and this is so nice color combination, of course. So I am trying, of course, this one also. So I'll park here, right here. Okay. There is a next one. This is a runner car. It's a I am also trying this one. So let's go. So I'll park here. Okay. So there is a next one. Next one is a construction vehicle mixer truck. So I'll try this one also. Okay, I am parked here. Okay. So guys, this is the last one. This is a RAB bike. RAB is a Bangladeshi special force. So I am trying, of course, this one also. Okay, I'll park here. So guys, see this, all of vehicles are hand driving with my hand, and all our vehicle is very nice and beautiful performance of hand driving. So I'm ending my video, and see you soon with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.